I'm Nick. Welcome to Get Out a Wrench. Today, I'm going to show you how I got these old batteries out of that key. I got my 2016 F150 key fob here. It's for the truck that has the push button start. As you can see, it doesn't have the flip out key or anything. And I keep getting a message on my dash that says that my key batteries are low and I need to replace them soon. I found that it takes the 2025 battery size. Able to get these on Amazon. They were pretty cheap, so I went with a good quality brand, so they lasted a long time. So what you're going to need to do to get your key battery out is flip your key over, and there's a tab right here. You got to pull that down and the back of the key comes off, and then you have your actual spare key for like unlocking your doors. It's in there, so we'll put that off to the side. Alright, and then you take your pick or a flat small screwdriver and you're going to go on the top here and it just kind of pops it up. And then you take that out and then you can put your circuit board off to the side. And you have two batteries in here. So what I do is I'll take my pick and I'll pop one out, pop the next one out. I think you're supposed to pull this little tab to pull them out, but you can see these have the plus, so the plus was down. I'm unsure now. They were in this way. So the plus side was down. So I'm going to put them in that way. I'll open up these new ones. That's that. Get these out of this little package. Where is it stuck? What? Child secure. It's like adult secure. I guess I gotta cut them. Why have a thing like that if you're gonna still have to cut it anyway? Just have a regular cut pack. Okay. There's one. There's the next one. We'll get this out of here. Okay. Now we got batteries got to go in. So it looks like this is supposed to go in between the batteries. Maybe somebody had my key apart before. Because according to this, if I put this one goes in that way, and this goes in between them, and this goes this way. That's interesting. Okay, so that little tab, that little paper goes in between the batteries. The plus side on the bottom one goes down, and the minus side on the top one goes up. And then you want to make sure that your key ring holder goes back in place where it's supposed to go. This is actually fallen out on me a couple times, and I've had to pop it back into the back of the key. That goes like that. And then these little tabs on the bottom here sit into these guys. There's little tabs there and there. They go like that. And then it should click back together. And then you want to make sure to put your key back in like that, and the tip goes in first, and then this goes back on like that, and then boom, key battery replaced. You can hear it beeping outside. Let's see, and then truck starts, shuts off. Alright, and that's how you change your key batteries in your push button start Ford key. This is probably the same key that they would use on any push button start Ford from 2015 to 17. I don't know, my truck's a 16, and I know that my sister has the same key for her Explorer, which is also 2016. So there you go. It's changing a key battery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm Nick. Get out and wrench.